Welcome back to our channel. Well, today we are going to break it down for you and give you some practical tips on how to achieve financial freedom. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. The first step in achieving financial freedom is to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. Create a budget that outlines all your monthly income and expenses, including bills, savings, and investments. Make sure to track your spending and stay disciplined in following your budget. This will help you stay on track and avoid unnecessary expenses that can hinder your progress towards financial freedom. Tip number 2. Set financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially is essential. Set short-term and long-term financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for an emergency fund, investing in retirement, or buying a home. Write down your goals and create a plan with actionable steps to achieve them. Remember to review and update your goals periodically to stay motivated and on track. Tip number 3. Educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your money. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs or channels, and seek advice from financial experts. Learn about budgeting, investing, taxes, and other financial concepts to make informed decisions about your money. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make wise financial choices. Tip number 4. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing are crucial components of achieving financial freedom. Make it a priority to save a portion of your income each month and put your savings to work by investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investments. Be disciplined in your savings and investing strategies, and remember that consistency and patience are key to building wealth over time. Tip number 5. Manage your debt wisely. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom, so it's essential to manage it wisely. Avoid unnecessary debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, and pay off your debts as soon as possible. If you have multiple debts, prioritize them based on interest rates and pay off the highest interest debts first. Consider strategies such as debt consolidation or refinancing to lower interest rates and make it easier to pay off your debts. And there you have it, 5 practical tips on how to achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not always easy, but with discipline, determination, and a plan in place, you can make progress towards your financial goals. Don't forget to create a budget, set financial goals, educate yourself about personal finance, save and invest wisely, and manage your debt wisely. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips. See you next time.